Happy Eid al-Fitr, wishing you and your loved ones a joyous Eid. Why we celebrate Eid al-Fitr? The 3 days festival celebrates the completion of the fasting month of Ramadan by Muslims across the world. As the fasting month of Ramadan comes to an end, Muslims around the world are preparing for Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast. Let's explore some facts about Eid al-Fitr. First, it was started by the Prophet Muhammad. In the Quran, it is written that Muhammad received his first revelation during Ramadan. When he arrived in Medina from Mecca, he saw people celebrating and remarked that God has fixed 2 days of festive. One would be Eid al-Fitr and the other would be Eid al-Adha. There are 2 Eids. Eid means festival in Arabic. The other most important festival in the Muslim calendar is Eid al-Adha, which means festival of sacrifice. This usually happens over the summer, unlike Eid al-Fitr, which happens in the spring. It has lots of names all over the world. Islam is a massive religion with nearly 2 billion followers across the world. That also means lots of people who speak different languages have their own names for Eid. In Indonesia, it's called Lebaran. In Turkish, it's called Ramazan Bayrami. And in several African countries, it's called Karamar Salah. It lasts for 3 days. For these 3 days, people decorate their homes, visit family, eat special food, put on their best clothes and give gifts. It also involves prayer, but no more fasting. It is forbidden to fast on Eid. The date depends on the moon. Eid happens on the evening of the first new moon. If the moon can't be seen, then the Eid is celebrated the next day. Connecting the digital dots since 2015.